Ki sengsan per thai baron hak soka Megaya Democratic Alliance 2 kila menjul lang shrup ya keteng James pigi sangma balong Kyrtong MP sia Rajya Sabha na Meglaya. Ka election kan long hakat pratrik mutau benai haden bag samoy jong Dr. Wanway Roy Kaluki kalkut mentau benai. Ka jingirang ka soka MDA 2 ke balong mentak sengi bukan tup ya ke UDP, BJP, HSPDP, but MLA Smith hapok ke jingiram ke NPP kila menjul ke keteng James pigi sangma bat klempep la tu bau James un Thep kor Kynthei nama bag MDA tu kala don lupa sanfoi ngut ki MLA haking dolbar ke bahan rupungut kat bak leng persya ke don tang kendai ngut kentup ke TMC san ngut bat ke WPP sau ngut haka jingi sya ki bapau keteng manyakun jik MP Raja Sabha nak MDA kidai ba Himalaya Siang Priang baru ba Hamdat Sendoling baru kidai nak NPP Secretary Parliamentary Party jong MDA tu ba polong do we tu balarai ban budden jik ai ba jule ban Christian yau kutong jong kaseng ke ba hepai bala menjur yau kutong jong NPP James pigi sang ma ban pha Raja Sabha.
Today's meeting centered around one major item, which is the nomination and selection of candidate for the Rajya Sabha seat from the state of Meghalaya. So the resolutions adopted are as follows. Number one, the PP leaders, parliamentary party leaders, representing all constituents of the MDA 2 were briefed about the election scheduled to the Rajya Sabha for the state of Meghalaya on June 18, 2026, and the views of the NPP on the matter by both the national and the state president of the NPP. Two, in the course of the discussions, members from the constituent units expressed their various points and indicated their willingness to have their party nominees selected and endorsed as official candidate of the MDA 2. 3. However, since the various parties had proposed various names of individuals belonging to the respective political parties, and there being no point of consensus on a single name, it was decided to follow the established convention of endorsing the proposal put forward by the largest constituent, that is, the NPP, in order to ensure cohesion and unanimity on the basis of established parliamentary practice. 3. The meeting therefore unanimously endorsed the NPP's proposal for the candidature of Shri James P.K. Sangma as Rajya Sabha nominee representing the MDA 2. 5. However, respecting the wishes of the various constituent members of the MDA to allow the various parties to take their own call as far as by-elections to the Shillong parliamentary constituency is concerned, it was decided, it was unanimously agreed that the parties are free to contest slash support slash stay neutral slash stay away from the above by-election. 6. Since there was only one matter for consideration by the meeting today, the Honourable Leader of the Parliamentary Party of the MDA 2, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, thanked all members present and concluded the meeting with a formal request to all members to work unitedly to ensure the successful realization of the decisions of today's meeting.